Hey guys, this episode we're going to be talking about how to use TDD to fix bugs in your Rails application or libraries that you use. In this example, we're going to find a bug in Kredis and then write a test or a couple tests to fix it, and then we're going to submit our pull request and everything to make sure that this is fixed for everybody else. So let's take a look at Kredis. If you're not familiar, it is a wrapper around Redis, the database. And Redis, if you're not familiar with that, is kind of like a big hash in memory that you can talk to. So Kredis is a wrapper that's a Railsy active record kind of feel for interacting with your Redis database. Now, there's a feature in Kredis that we can use called a unique list. And we can define a Kredis unique list by giving it a name, call ours test, and there's an option you can use to limit the amount of items in that list to 5, for example. So our list, we can add items with either prepend or append, and we can say, let's prepend, say 3 items together, and if we say list.elements, we're going to get 3, 2, 1. So we prepended each one of those, and all of that works correctly. So the other operation we can do is we can say append, and we can append 4 to the end. So when we call list.elements, we should get 3, 2, 1, 4. But we got an empty array. That's weird. And that was the bug that I realized was happening in my application. So what I did is I went to GitHub and I started poking around the code, and I forked it and cloned my fork to my computer. So this gave me the repository locally that I could use to look at the code for it. And first off, I'm looking at where is the unique list defined and how does it work? I'm trying to see, am I using this wrong? And I was looking at it and was like, surely I'm not using it wrong, because this is a very basic operation here that we have. And if I try and append just anything to this, I get an empty array, and that seems definitely wrong. So I'm looking at the code here and I'm like, I don't see anything off the top of my head that looks wrong. So let's go to the tests and see what they say.